In this video, we are going to be showing you the best recipe for delicious and nutritious energy bites.
Let's get to it.
Hey guys, I'm Mara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins,
the channel that gives you the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more.
Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so our first step to make our nutritious energy bites is to get a half cup of smooth peanut butter and add it into a large bowl like this one. Then you're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of honey. This is just regular honey, and yeah. Now you're gonna add in 1 cup of rolled oats. So then now you're gonna go ahead and add in a half cup of flax seeds and give it a mix. And you can go ahead and scrape down your bowl. Okay, so now depending on the mixture's consistency, you can go ahead and add in a couple tablespoons of water because it might be too dry. It just if you prefer to add water, go ahead. Okay, now lastly, you can go ahead and add in a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now go ahead and give it a mix. Now you can shape them into small bites, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and refrigerate this for 30 minutes and then you're done. There you have it, our super duper easy, nutritious and delicious energy bites.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up down below.
Click here for our last video.
Click down there for our holiday series.
And here to subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.